This is a massive warning for every single person who currently owns an Apple TV 4K. If you have this device sitting in your living room right now, you're only getting a fraction of the performance that you actually paid for. You're leaving pure speed on the table. You are leaving incredible sound quality on the table. But that all ends today because Apple just quietly dropped the massive tvOS 26.4 update, and it is an absolute game changer. This is not just some small patch or a minor bug fix that you can ignore. This update completely rewrites the rules of your living room entertainment. Most people will just let the software install automatically overnight and keep moving with their lives. They will never realize the crazy hidden features that just got unlocked inside their device. They will keep using their television the exact same boring way, dealing with the same slow, cluttered menus, and suffering through the same annoying audio pops and glitches. But not you. Today, everything changes for your home theater setup. I'm going to walk you through exactly what hidden settings you need to change right this second. I'm going to show you how to make your Apple TV feel twice as fast and sound 100 times better. This is not a drill. This update is secretly packing features that finally fix the absolute most annoying problems in modern streaming, and you absolutely do not want to miss a single second of this. We're going deep into the settings, exploring the hidden code changes, and uncovering the massive features Apple didn't even bother putting in their main headlines. The very first thing you need to know about this update is that Apple just straight up deleted something huge from your device. For years, your home screen has been totally bogged down. It was messy, it was crowded, and it was full of old, outdated junk. I am talking about the classic iTunes Movies and iTunes TV Shows apps. Let's be completely honest with ourselves. These apps were absolute dinosaurs. They were relics from a decade ago that were taking up valuable processing space on your screen and cluttering your brain every single time you turn on your TV. Most of us just hid them in a junk folder at the very bottom of the screen to try and ignore them, but they were still there, eating up system resources in the background. Well, Apple finally took out the trash. They just wiped those legacy apps from the face of the earth. In this brand new update, they are entirely gone. Now, do not panic. I know exactly what you're thinking. You're thinking about all the hard-earned money you spent over the years. You are thinking about that massive digital library of hundreds of movies and shows you bought over the last decade. Do not worry about the movies you purchased in the past, because your money is safe and your content is safe. In fact, it is better than safe. Everything you own is now totally supercharged. Apple has aggressively pushed every single one of your past purchases directly into the main, unified Apple TV app. This is a brilliant, highly calculated move. It forces your entire system to be incredibly clean and makes the interface feel highly modern. It makes the home screen visually organized and massively speeds up how quickly you can navigate your screen. You no longer have to jump between 3 different apps just to figure out where your purchased movies live. You do not have to remember which specific app has which film. It is all beautifully structured under one single roof now. This change alone makes your whole device feel incredibly snappy. It feels fresh and instantly responsive the absolute second you pick up the remote. It is a streamlined experience that finally treats the user like an adult who values their time. But that is just the surface level. That is just the visual cleanup, and we need to go much deeper into the machine. Here is the absolute craziest part of this new update. There is a hidden audio setting that Apple buried deep inside the menus, and it is a total game changer for your home theater. This is the exact feature you have been waiting for your entire life without even knowing it. Think about your normal streaming routine. Have you ever clicked play on a movie and noticed something incredibly strange happen? Your screen goes completely dark for a second. The sound completely cuts out. Maybe your very expensive soundbar makes a terrifying popping noise, or perhaps it makes a sharp clicking sound. For years, you might have thought your HDMI cable was bad. You might have thought your expensive TV was finally dying. But it was never the hardware causing the problem. It was the software. That frustrating delay happens because your system is doing a slow, clunky digital handshake. It is a technical struggle behind the scenes. Your Apple TV is trying to talk to your speakers, struggling to switch the audio formats from a basic menu screen to the heavy movie file. The main menu is usually just a simple stereo signal, but the movie you are about to watch is a massive, complex Dolby Atmos signal. That switch causes a gap in data. It causes a glitch. It is a massive annoyance that totally ruins the cinematic immersion and makes a $3,000 audio system feel like a cheap plastic toy. But Apple just fixed it forever. They created a brilliant new hidden feature called continuous audio connection. This is an absolute technical masterpiece. You have to go into your video and audio settings right now to turn this on. Once you toggle this invisible switch, everything changes in your living room. It creates an endless, invisible stream of high-quality data. It is a constant, unbroken flow of Dolby Atmos data that goes directly to your speakers at all times. The signal never drops. It stays fully active even when you're just swiping around the main menu looking for an app. The connection stays wide open. Think of it exactly like a massive car engine that never turns off. It is always idling, always warm, and always ready to race. The second you click play on a movie, the sound instantly explodes into your room. There is zero delay. There are absolutely no more black screens. There are no more scary speaker pops that make you jump off the couch. It makes your living room feel like a $1 million commercial cinema, providing a level of polish and perfection that absolutely no other streaming device on the market can match. This is the true premium experience you paid for. Now, let's talk about the absolute biggest waste of time in human history. We all do it. We do it every single night of the week. I am talking about scrolling, endlessly looking for a movie to watch. You know the exact feeling. You worked hard all day. You are exhausted. You sit down on the couch with your hot dinner. You open a streaming app and you start looking. You scroll left. You scroll right. You look at the exact same 10 movie posters you saw yesterday. You get bored, you close the app, you open a different app, and you keep scrolling. By the time you actually find a movie you want to watch, your food is freezing cold. You are way too tired to even pay attention to the complex plot, and you end up falling asleep 5 minutes into the show. It is an endless cycle of pure frustration. Apple is finally attacking this problem head-on. They have introduced a brand new, highly intelligent feature called Genius Browse. It lives right inside the main TV app, front and center. Now, let me be very clear about how this works. This is not some stupid, random list of trending shows. This is not a list of shows that a corporate marketing team is paying to force you to see. This is not about what is randomly popular in other countries. This is a highly aggressive, incredibly smart recommendation engine. It is powered by advanced machine learning that runs locally. It learns your exact mood. It learns your exact taste over time. It does not just look at what you watched, it actually looks at how you watch it. Instead of showing you a boring, generic category like comedy or action, it gets highly specific to your current vibe. It will show you curated categories like white-knuckle adventure or feel-good weekend watches. It truly understands the vibe of the room. And here is the absolute best part about Genius Browse. It is completely universal. It searches through every single streaming app you currently pay for. It looks at your Netflix algorithm. It looks at Max. It looks at Disney Plus and Hulu. It doesn't just selfishly push Apple TV Plus content. It looks at everything you have access to across the board. It does all the incredibly heavy lifting for you, literally acting like your own personal Hollywood movie butler. These categories are not static, either. They dynamically change every single day based on what you're naturally gravitating towards in that specific moment. You will never waste your night scrolling endlessly again. You will finally spend your valuable free time actually watching instead of searching. But we are not even close to done yet. I want to blow your mind with something you probably use every single day. It is something most people absolutely hate adjusting because it is so tedious. I'm talking about subtitles. We have a major, well-documented problem in modern filmmaking right now. Movie dialogue today is notoriously terrible. Sound designers are making the background music way too loud. They're making the explosions shake the walls. Meanwhile, the actors are practically whispering their lines. You cannot hear a single word they're saying during the most important dramatic scenes. Most of us have been forced to keep the subtitles on permanently just to understand the basic plot of a show. But using subtitles used to be a complete nightmare. Changing your text settings meant exiting your movie entirely. You had to dig through huge, complicated accessibility menus. You had to click through 10 different screens just to change the font size. It totally ruined the vibe of movie night and instantly broke the cinematic magic. Not anymore. With tvOS 26.4, Apple completely revolutionized this highly annoying process. This is the update that finally cares about your eyes and your ears simultaneously. You can now change exactly how your subtitles look live, right on the screen. You do not even have to hit the pause button. You do not have to leave the action or exit the video player. You just swipe down on your remote while the movie is playing. Instantly, a sleek menu drops down, and you can swap between beautiful, brand new subtitle styles in real time. They added a crazy new transparent background option. This is massive. It means those incredibly ugly, solid black text boxes no longer block and ruin the beautiful camera work of the film. You can literally see the movie right through the text background. They even added a brilliant new outline style. This makes the text pop perfectly against super bright backgrounds. If the scene you're watching takes place in a snowy field or against a bright blue sky, the text automatically outlines itself, so you can still read every single word without straining your eyes. If you're a real control freak, it gets even better. You can actually build your own custom fonts. You can choose your own exact sizes. You can pick your own custom colors completely from scratch to match your preference. You can make it look like a classic film projection or a sleek modern blockbuster. And the best part? Every single person in your house can have their very own dedicated subtitle profile. Your kids can have big, colorful text that is easy to read. You can have small, elegant text that doesn't distract from a movie. It is insanely smart and fixes a massive headache that has existed since the very beginning of digital video. Honestly, when you look at the entire landscape of streaming hardware, the Apple TV 4K was already the undisputed king. It was the unquestioned leader of all streaming devices. But this tvOS 26.4 update turns it into an absolute monster. It is a beast of a machine now. It totally respects the money you spend on your expensive audio gear. It highly values your free time by eliminating menu scrolling. It gives you extreme, granular control over exactly how you watch your content. It doesn't treat you like a casual viewer who will accept a slow interface. It treats you like a true cinema enthusiast. My best, honest opinion on this product is very simple. The Apple TV 4K exists in a league entirely of its own. Just look at the competition out there. Look at those cheap plastic streaming sticks. Look at the built-in smart TV interfaces that come pre-installed on your television. They are incredibly slow. They lag constantly. They are full of annoying banner ads trying to sell you cars, and they are wildly clunky to navigate. None of them even come close to this level of perfection. None of them offer this lightning-fast speed. None of them offer this premium, luxury feel. Buying this device is absolutely the best money you can possibly spend on your living room. It is a literal investment in your daily happiness and relaxation. If you want your home theater to feel completely brand new today, you need to go download this update right this second. Do not wait for the automatic install to happen next week. Go into your settings, scroll to System Updates, and pull it down manually right now to unlock the true power of your TV. If you got value out of this video and want to stay ahead of all the hidden tech features, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Share this video with a friend who owns an Apple TV and hit that bell icon so you never miss another major update. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite hidden feature in this massive new update? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.